How to use Reddit custom feeds to filter content. So in order to use this Reddit custom feed, which was previously known as multi-thread Reddits, you can bundle multiple separate subreddits into a single personalized theme. This allows you to filter out the noise of your main homepage and browse specific topics without officially subscribing to each individual community. In order to do that, first of all, you need to create a custom feed. So what you're going to do is simply open your Reddit, and then from here what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar right here. Then after doing that, what you're going to do is find for the option called custom feed. Tap on that one, and in here what you can do is you can now start creating your custom feed. So simply tap on create, that you can see right here, and then you can now add your subreddits in here and add whatever that you want. You can browse and filter your stream and simply tap on create, and like that you'll be able to use Reddit custom feeds to filter any of your content, and that's it.